Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to merge videos using a free app that works on both Android and iPhone. Quick, simple and no watermark. First, install the CapCut app. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search and install CapCut. The app looks something like this. Once installed, tap on it. Tap New Project. And here select the videos you want to merge from your gallery. Let me go with the first two. And tap Add at the bottom right. So here you will see all your videos on the timeline. So you can actually drag to rearrange like this. Just simply drag it. And yes, don't forget to keep tap on the seconds. That will really help you with trimming. And you can also add transitions. Tap the white box between the two clips. And choose from fun transitions like fade, slide, etc. And once you are satisfied with your video, tap export button at the top right. You can also choose the quality by tapping here. And yes, you can choose your resolution, frame rate and code rate. Once you tap on export, wait a few seconds and done. It will get saved on your phone. Once saved, you can post it on YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp or just keep it in your gallery. And that's it. Merging videos has never been easier. You can do it all from your phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.